Welcome everyone back again to another tutorial on this channel. This time, as you can see, we have the Apple Watch right here, and the question or the tutorial is about how to change orientation of the Apple Watch. And it can easily be done, but it requires a little bit of explanation, so let me just get to it. So you just grab your Apple Watch and get to the apps view, then locate the settings, so get inside of the settings page, and in there just get to the general menu. And from the general options, one of them should be called the orientation. And when you open it up, you have the first thing to decide, which is which wrist you're gonna wear the Apple Watch on. So obviously pick the proper one, right? I personally wear the Apple Watch on my left wrist, so it kind of makes sense to choose it that way. You might be wondering what is really going on with it, why the Apple Watch needs to know that. Well, it is mostly to detect the motion when you flick your wrist and you want to check the time. It is slightly different motion based on or depending on the wrist you have it on, so it just needs to know where you like to wear it, right? So it makes sense. But also besides that, there is the digital crown position. And when you choose that, or when you switch it from one option to the other, the entire user interface is going to rotate. I personally like to have it on the left side, meaning that the Apple Watch is seemingly upside down, right? So a couple of people have asked me about it, and I made like a very short video on it. I might link it in the description to explain it quickly, like what's going on, right? So I put there a couple of reasons of why I did that, so you can check it out. But yeah, this is how you can change the orientation of the Apple Watch. If you have more questions about it, I've been using it for quite a while now, so I might be able to answer it. So if you do, leave them below. Yeah, go ahead and do that. Subscribe if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next video.